The only thing more JDM than zip ties. Yep, look at that. Hey guys, so I heard of like a last minute car meet over at Raising Cane's next to campus. So I'm headed over there right now, and I'm swinging through the car wash because the car is, oh, it's so dirty. And it rained the other day, so it got even worse. So, but we're swinging through. We're gonna go to Raising Cane's Car Meet. It's a pop-up, and I guess this is something they commonly do on like Thursday nights. So, rolling over here, see how it is, check it out. I don't know if it'll be any good yet, but you know, can't hurt to check it out, right? It's always cool to meet new people that live around you that are into cars. So, especially if they go to school with me, that'd be great. But first, yeah, definitely swing by the car wash because the CRX is covered in dust. I can draw on the trunk. It'd be embarrassing to take it over without cleaning it. So I'm excited. I don't know if it'll be any good, or if people will be cool, or if they'll be not so cool. But I mean, usually car people are pretty cool, so pretty excited. Whew, there we go. Looking good. Whew. There we go. Oh yeah. Yeah. Alright, now we're ready to go. Okay, I mean, I'm here. This is the parking lot. I don't see a car meet. Just a very normal looking parking lot. Maybe I'm a little late, but it said it goes till 10. It's only about 8:30 right now, so I can't imagine that's the case. Huh. I don't know, we'll check out the other side of the parking lot. Maybe we'll find something. Well, I certainly found them. There's actually a lot of cool cars over there. It's actually a lot of people. I'm surprised. It's actually really cool. I'm loving the parking here. This is great. Full gaggle. I've ever seen. Well, I think I'm calling that a night. Fun time though. Well, that's pretty legit. I left after a Honda CRV with a body kit and a hood exit exhaust asked me if I want to run against his car. I was like, yeah, not tonight, bud. I couldn't tell if he was being serious or not, but sadly, I think he was being serious. Who in their right mind modifies a Honda CRV? Of all the cars that you can play with. Really? The cops were just hanging out there chilling the entire time. Apparently they busted it in the past, but they were really cool with it tonight. There's 3 of them just parked there, just chit-chatting like they were part of the car show. I mean, it's pretty neat.